In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Calendly API key. Whether you're looking to integrate Calendly with other software, or just want to automate your scheduling processes further, obtaining your API key is an essential first step. First, let's jump right into the Calendly platform. Head over to Calendly's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. Calendly gives you a couple of ways to log in, but for simplicity and speed, let's use the Continue with Google option. It's a quick way to log in without the need to remember another password. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. Select the account associated with your Calendly. If this is your first time doing this or the first time in a while, Google might ask for your permission to let Calendly access your information. Click on Continue to grant it. Once logged in, you're going to want to navigate directly to your Calendly dashboard. From there, look for the option on your dashboard labeled Integrations and Apps. This area of Calendly is where all the magic happens in terms of linking Calendly to other applications, including the generation of your API key. In the Integrations and Apps section, there will be a search bar. Type in API here to narrow down your search. You should quickly see an option for API and webhooks. This is where Calendly allows users to create and manage API keys. Upon clicking on the API and webhooks option, you'll find an inviting button marked Get a Token Now. Clicking on it will lead you toward creating a new API key, but Calendly might first ask for a confirmation to continue. It's all straightforward, just an extra click on Continue to move forward. Now you need to give your new API key a name. Be descriptive enough so you can remember what application or integration the key is associated with. This is especially helpful if you will be managing multiple keys. After you've named your API key, you'll see the final step, a Create Token button. Clicking on this button will generate your Calendly API key. It's crucial to note that you should keep this API key secure and not share it widely because it gives programmatic access to your Calendly account. Congratulations, you now have an API key for Calendly. Remember to copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Most applications that integrate with Calendly will ask for this key, and it's what allows the seamless flow of data between Calendly and other platforms. To recap, we started off by logging into Calendly via Google, navigated to the Integrations and Apps section, and searched for API to locate the API and webhooks option. From there, it was a simple matter of following the prompts to generate a new API key. Now with your API key, the doors to extensive customization and integration for your scheduling needs are wide open. Whether it's automating meeting setups or syncing Calendly with your CRM, the API key is your first step into a broader world of efficiency. Thank you for following along. This guide aimed to simplify the process of obtaining your Calendly API key. Keep experimenting with different applications and services to make the most out of your Calendly account. See you in the next tutorial.